If you don't know the tips and tricks to get a full 90 out of 90 in your PTE speaking, make sure you save this video. I'm Malcolm from A1 Australia. The first task in PTE is PTE Read Aloud, in which you are supposed to read a passage which is given on your screen. In this task, you have to maintain your natural speed. You don't have to be too slow or too fast. One tip which I give to everyone is don't take a lot of pauses. Take a small pause at a full stop, and at a comma take a very little pause. Don't take big pauses at every comma, otherwise your score will go down. Be extra careful about plural sounds which end with S or ES. Also words which end with ED, try to pronounce them clearly. Don't rush, otherwise your speaking score might be still 90 but your reading score might be a bit low due to lack of clarity. So take a normal speed in your speaking in Read Aloud, and don't skip words, and if you make a mistake, don't correct words as well. Now let's go to the second task, repeat sentence. Repeat sentence is a task which a lot of people find difficult in PTE to crack. You get 10 to 12 sentences which are generally between 8 to 12 words. My suggestion is break the sentence into chunks. That's called the chunking method. So divide a sentence in 2 or 3 phrases. That way you can try to focus on one phrase at a time. Now, what a lot of people think is that you have to speak each and every word to get a full score. Probably yes, but you don't have to stress with that. What I would always recommend my students is try to focus on the main words in the correct sequence. Sequencing is very important. So if you're able to repeat 70 to 80% of the sentence with the main words in the correct sequence, even if you make small mistakes with grammar, you miss prepositions or articles like a and the, make mistakes of singular or plural, it's still okay. Focus 100% on your fluency. Don't repeat words when you make mistakes, and don't abruptly stop sentences. Now let's go to the next task, describe image. Describe image is probably one of the easiest tasks in PT, but you have to be very careful that you cover relevant content. Don't use templates senselessly. You must speak in a fluent way, but not too fast. If the software senses that you're using a memorized template, it might penalize you. My suggestion is use templates, but fill them with a lot of actual content which you are actually seeing on the screen. You can also use fillers like while you are thinking. Purposely you can use such sounds so that the software thinks that you're not using memorized templates. Speak for about anywhere between 25 to 35 seconds. If you have more content, you can also speak more. Try to cover 50 to 60% content. You don't have to cover everything. The next task is Retell Lecture. Now in this task, you get marks for both listening and speaking. You get 1 or 2 questions. While the audio is going on, don't focus only on taking notes. Try on actually being able to understand the lecture. My suggestion is note down 4 or 5 phrases in short form, again with the help of keywords, symbols, arrows, so that you can understand what exactly is going on in the lecture. My suggestion is instead of again blindly following a template and just focusing on keywords, try to insert meaningful words in your sentences. Like I'll give a sample structure. For example, the speaker was talking about, moreover, it can be added that, furthermore, it can be added from the lecture that, lastly, it can be said that. So here, after each of these filler starting initiators, try to add something from the lecture in your own words. Last but not the least, answer short questions. This task is also important. Don't neglect this task. It contributes 6 to 7 points to your listening. However, it contributes only 1 or 2 points to your speaking, maybe maximum 3 points to speaking. If you're looking for a 79 plus score, focus on answer short questions. You can go through a free prediction file which you can find on mockmaster.ai, which is our PT website. In case if you're looking for PT, IELTS or NATI CCL classes, we have it in many languages. You can check out our details in the comment section, and good luck for your test. I'm Malcolm.